$100,000 on the wrist. Diamonds on me got me hella lit. 200,000 on the whip. Oh, they throwing shit, I never trip. I feel so special. I feel so special, so special. I feel so special.
What's good, BRATZ, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into this new video of unboxing a, drumroll please, a MacBook Pro. I am so stoked. I made this purchase today. I finally decided to do it, just take that leap and invest in myself and purchase a new MacBook. I'll be showing you what's inside the box, the sizing of the computer, and the gigabytes and all that good stuff. Let's open this up. She's a beauty. Ooh. Oh baby, it's go time. You hear me? So get the laptop. What's in the box is the charger. I don't know it right now. The designed by Apple in California, the instructions and all that good stuff. The adapter. I wish it came with some new AirPods because I lost mine for all this money, but it doesn't. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh my god, she's so pretty. She is so pretty. This space gray is actually kind of cute. Wow. The feeling of a new computer. How grand. How grand. How grand is this? How grand is she? I'm in shock. When I tell you I haven't had a computer since like, what? 2017, 16? That's a long time, right? A hell of a long time. It is starting to load up. Let me see what, well, does this little pamphlet booklet tell you everything, where the touch bar, how to work the touch bar and stuff? That's what we should open. Let's see. Yo, I got a new computer, dogs. This is it right now. Okay, Siri. I know that's right. Never ever wrong. You know, Apple always gives you some stickers. Yeah, it tells you how to work the touch bar, the touch ID, force track touchpad. The menu, the FaceTime camera, the spotlight, the finder, the dock, and system preference, where the headphone port is, and that's basically about it. So I guess I'm gonna have to learn everything on my own. I'll watch a YouTube video, one or the other.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver.
Alright, let's hook up my Wi-Fi, which I don't see.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I know the password is, so you can see what it looks like without a tab open. This is what it looks like on. It's so pretty. I can't wait to change the background to Sweetie or something. So witty. System gigabyte is 512, and the computer altogether is 8 gigabytes. I thought I was going to need more space due to the fact of editing, but I'm going to use a hard drive, just save a little bit more space on the computer, and it won't be so cram-packed, even though it does have a lot of space, storage space. That's about it. Oh, also guys, if you didn't know, FYI, this does not have the adapter to stick your memory card in or your charger for your phone. What they do not tell you is that you'll need a USB adapter piece, which says MacBook Pro /Air, and this is $100. Like, so after you spend all this money on a computer, you're definitely going to have to purchase this if you want it for your charger or memory card from your cameras, anything like that. It's pretty bitch music. I love this computer. It's so big. The screen is wide enough for me to see and use and utilize. So, thank you for watching this unboxing video. I have fun recording this cute and short little vid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, stay on your grind, stay pretty, and stay positive. Bye.